saving habits, you do give them financial tips, how do you become secure, then maybe you can launch a page. You may not require a website. You may not need a website. I know of businesses which are run on only Facebook pages. So I'll just give you another example. So there's this cake shop in Dadar, which is called as Cake Studios. So they do 3D cakes, okay, and they do not have a website. The entire marketing is done on Facebook, okay, and they upload pictures, they upload designs, and you just call them. They will say we'll minimum take 7 days to take your order. That's the kind of orders that they get, which is huge, okay. Entire business run on Facebook, and it doesn't take a single penny to create a page on Facebook. That's the beauty of this medium. Twitter, 140 character, beautiful method. Government of India, Sam Pitroda has done a Twitter conference recently, okay, and it's so easy. If all three of them would have been countries, they would have much bigger than Bolivia, Canada, Australia. That's the size of all three mediums put together. All these three mediums. And if you just are present on these three mediums 100%, okay, you're going to be home. You're going to be home. Okay, and then obviously who doesn't know the power of YouTube? Almost every second there are thousands of videos being uploaded. Okay, you can see some of those. I told you, a lot of Bollywood movies, lot of content companies today look at YouTube as the first destination to launch themselves. Okay, and then obviously if your content is good, it will create a viral effect. One more thing I forgot to add, in Twitter specifically, you can also look at what is trending, what is not trending. Okay, now this can also be done, you can manipulate it. I'll tell you how. If you ask all your network of friends and friends of friends network to search for you and talk about your retweet about you, automatically the algorithm will capture that phenomenon, and then it will say that you are the top trended discussions, and that you can very much see on Twitter page. So you can see what is trending in India, you can also see what is trending globally, both. So it allows you both the options. Okay, that's the beauty of this space. Okay, so YouTube I already discussed, and then obviously blogs. So there's this guy called Seth Godin, who I actually admire, and there's another guy called Chris Brogan. Whenever you guys have time, just please visit them. So what they do is they specialize in marketing. They specialize in being remarkable, and I'll tell you what does this remarkable means. Okay, in fact, I'll spend some time explaining to you what remarkable is. What happens in an era, in a Google-fueled world, when there are so many choices and so little time, the obvious thing that customers can do is ignore you or dump you. That is the most easiest thing that one can do. Okay, so then what happens? Because you are average. Okay, now imagine if you have to dine tonight, and there are 5 restaurants, will you choose average? No, we all want to go to the best place. That's the simple logic. Even if you have to buy a 5 rupee pen, you want to buy a remarkable pen, you will not buy an average pen. So there is a story there. So are you remarkable? Remarkable is cool, it's neat, it's something to make a remark about. If you are not remarkable and if you are mediocre, customers will dump you because there are enough options available. There are more than 10,000 options available for every product. Google will throw you in a minute. So if you're not remarkable, people will just throw you out. So my parable here is, we see a lot of cows, right? So morning if you drive across one of these lanes and you will see normal cow, we will not make an attempt to even see it because cows are everyday affair. What is new about cow? Suddenly imagine there's a purple cow. That will hold our attention and say, okay, purple cow, I have never seen before. You go and tell your friend, today I have watched a purple cow. Because it's remarkable. You've seen it. So that's the linkage that I want to do. And Seth Godin actually preaches about being remarkable in whatever work that we do. Okay. Now coming to blogs. Blogs becomes extremely critical. So these are all the access points where our consumers are available. You have to at least spend half an hour a day to see what are the comments, forums, discussions that are happening. And if you're articulate, you must also start communicating on blogs. It could be a weekly affair to begin with, and then you can start if people like your content, they will start subscribing. They'll start asking more and more and more, and that's how you build Cult status, you will be a top of mind whenever I look at investing. I know that this is the place where I have to, this is the destination where I need to look at investment. Can we click? There's another video here. No, the previous slide. Just click anywhere. So it's hyperlinked again. Okay, I think then you'll not be able to play video. Yeah, but that video is important. That's on social media. No, not that one. What's SM? What's social media? That's the last one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, just go to the next slide. So let's look at what is the whole story. So how we define social media is in three parameters. One is paid media, one is earned media, and one is owned media. So obviously we all have resources constraints, so we'll not look at paid because you can only do so much to be on the homepage of Google. So let's look at the middle one, which is the earned media. That is where we can use our knowledge, our articulation better to get fans, likes, engagement. So there's social media, which is pages and feeds, which is your Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. There's word of mouth. So I'll tell you an interesting story about word of mouth. Recently, what happened? This guy who was traveling United Airlines. Okay, so they broke his guitar while transferring it from one place to other. So he spoke to the call center guys. He spoke to the flight attendant saying that my guitar is broken. So why don't you just help me getting this? So they didn't pay any heed to him. So he then called up the head office, customer care number. He did everything possibility to get his guitar back. So they wouldn't pay heed to his advice. He did a simple thing. He created a video saying that United breaks guitars, and he put it on YouTube. In a minute, there were million hits. In a minute. And that went to the vice president of United Airlines. Okay. And they called him. They not only gave him a guitar, they also paid money to him and said, make another video which said United gifts guitars. Now this video also is available on YouTube, so whenever you guys have time, you can see it. Interestingly, so what are big brands like Nokia, Samsung, and Vodafone or Tata's or Bennett Coleman does? Lot of business you will generate if you see what happens on online conversations. There'll be a lot of business opportunity. In fact, I'm not carrying one, but I will certainly mail it to you. So, here is a discussion where this guy says that I want to fly JetBlue. I fly JetBlue regularly. Do they have a loyalty program? Or do they have a monthly pass? Or do they have whatever offers discounts? So that becomes a sales opportunity for Jet Airways. Similarly, another guy was tweeting, I lost my Apple phone. So that becomes an opportunity for a phone maker to sell him, because you can track the data. That's the beauty. Third important thing is this whole concept called closed loop analytics. Now, what is closed loop analytics? It is, suppose if Nikhil bought something, okay, I will be able to track his journey, that did he saw my post and bought it? Did he read a web article of mine and bought it? Did he buy something? Did he hear from me on one of those websites and bought? So I could track his behavior. So next time I know Nikhil is responsive on Twitter. So I only advertise on Twitter. I only send messages on Twitter. So that's called closed loop analytics. We can track consumer journey. So I'll also give you can try it by yourself. So go to one of those Make My Trips or go to any of your websites and just say Bombay to Delhi lowest fare, you're looking at it. Okay. Now once you entered, okay, there's this Google algorithm, we will capture your search. What it will do, whenever you search whichever website, it will keep on throwing you this message, 50% lowest fares from Bombay to Chennai. Even if you don't want, and this will do it till eternity. So that's the power. And there's no money, there's no kharcha that you're doing to do this. It's all free of cost. Now that's the beauty. User forums. Now what are user forums? Today you buy whatever, from bike to software, salt to software, car to aeroplane. What you do first thing is you will check reviews. You will check reviews. If you spend half an hour a day doing all this, just 5 pointers, you can generate business worth crores. Because all the conversations, customers are either venting out their frustration or they are venting out their need, and that's where you can get a queue. What is the solution that can be provided? So therefore, this becomes extremely critical. News, PR, announcement. So any PR is a good PR, as they say, and we will kind of stick to it. And obviously, blogger relationships. Now, what happens is, look at your Zomato or carwale.com. They actually, once they see that this blogger has got X amount of followers, they actually pay them. They actually pay them to write about themselves. So you can. So if your writing skills are good in your domain and you are an expert in financial advisor, who know, people might just come and pay you and say that, why don't you just blog about me? And which is unbiased. Look at what is happening to your tech-based shows on NETV Profit or ET Now or CNBC. All these people blog regularly, and they get all devices in the world to test. And basis their recommendations, the people who buy, because they follow them blindly. Just another example. On Twitter, whenever you time, just type Gabbar Singh. Okay, he's got more than 50,000 followers. And he's only been invited, and he's just an ordinary graduate. Now he's only been invited to do talks on Twitter. That's it. Even Junjunwala is there. So that's the beauty. But all this is very easy to say. When you actually start doing it, as again Godin said, you have to minimum spend 10,000 hours to become master of something. 10,000 hours. So maybe it can start from today itself. So your 10,000 clock starts ticking from now. But all this can be done free of cost, and you will get lot of traction. Can we go to the next slide? So here is your full potential. So if you look at the traditional methods and non-traditional methods, if you add up to 2, you can reach to your full potential. Okay, now let's look at a typical day in your life. What happens? You arrive early in the office, market updates, written phone calls and mails, team meetings, client lunch meetings, afternoon client meetings, and leave late. So this is the first roadblock, which is time. Let's look at the second roadblock. Money. Everybody. So any marketing program can cost anywhere between 2.5 lakh to 2.5 crores, depending on your objective, periodicity, what do you want to achieve, and stuff like that. So second roadblock is money. Third, execution. Execution, it's like a New Year resolution. Everybody says this year I will do this. But only 1% of people do it. There's interesting analogy and parable here. There are 2 Harvard graduates. So also one more thing, marketing has become very consumer insight led. So what happened? These guys started a gym. How they started making money? Very interesting. They knew that people enroll gym, correct? And they don't come later on. They'll come for 5 days, 10 days, and then they leave. So they said, my gym is absolutely free to you. Come and use my gym free of cost. But only condition is you should come. and I will only charge you if you don't come. And they made billions of dollars because people never came. Based out of consumer insight. So you enroll, it's like New Year resolution that this year I will do this. At the end of the year, you are still there. You know, but people who have implemented their marketing plan, so 33% of advisors have written a marketing plan. But how many of them have implemented? Go to the next slide. Only 50% of those have implemented it and they've got better results and they've outperformed their competition. You know, one of the most important things also is if you don't, if you don't communicate, however talented you are, you will remain mystery. You know, and my quote here is, you know, there's this quote which says, early to bed, early to rise. We all have heard this. You know, early to bed, early to rise, work like a hell and advertise. You know, and also today God needs advertisement. Right from Lord Balaji to Guru Vayu. So we are still human beings. So we must advertise ourselves. Okay. So what we know, we